Welcome to the second episode of Wotage Tutorial series with a famous Japanese wotage player, Hako. If this is your first time watching our tutorial, I strongly recommend checking out the first episode to learn the fundamentals. Today, as the second episode in our series, we're learning the most iconic wotage move, romance. Or should I say, romance? You've probably seen this move in many different wotage videos, recognized by its very distinct and iconic motion. Without further ado, let's get started!
Hello, I'm Hako, a Japanese wotage player. Today, I'd like to let you know the most famous wotage waza, romance. But before moving on to the lecture, let me show you my demonstration first. Are you ready? Let's go! That was romance. Let's tackle this waza together. Romance starts with romance Keiko. Keiko means a lot, so it means romance is coming next. Before moving to the romance move, you are giving them a lot to everyone. During the fourth circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, swing your left arm with strength. And then arch your body by using that power. Romance contains the specific sequences. First, arch twice, and then swing your arm side to side, and then arch once. When you arch your body, extend your upper arm and curve your opposite arm's elbow. It's an 8-count sequences. The count is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. During the next set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and then start from opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. While doing the romance, we repeat the sequence. Before moving to the practice, let's check these points where beginners often struggle. If you bend your arms while you arch your body, you cannot use the centrifugal force of your arms. Let's try to keep your arms straight while doing romance. Keeping your toes pointed straight forward is an important point. Letting your knees point outward can strain your hip joints. At the beginner stage, it is common to twist the body outwards, breaking the clean body line. Be mindful to tilt your body straight to the side. Okay, then let's try romance together.
That's it for today's lesson. Want to share your practice progress with others or watch other people's Wotage journey as well? Then join our Wotage USA Discord server. You'll find lots of resources such as different moves, common Wotage terms, and even the latest trend in light sticks people are using these days. Don't forget to leave a comment about what you like to learn next so we can plan future tutorials too. See you next time!
Take a wide stance. While doing the romance, our body will arch widely and strongly. By taking a wide stance, you can support your body using your leg efficiently. Keep the count with your elbow. You can hit the music beats by using your elbow. Generate momentum by sharply moving your head. When you arch your body, use your head weight efficiently. The head is the heaviest part of your whole body, so you can use it to arch more. When performing the pendulum motion, drop your head decisively. By dropping your head, you can make enough space to swing your arms. And easy to move to the next arch movement. Fully extend your arms. By extending your arms enough, you can fully use centrifugal force of your arms.